How do you make Herbalife healthy breakfast? What's up everybody, this is Jean here from Authentic Energy, your personal wellness and body confidence coach. I'm here to help you become healthier, happier, and more confident. So if you like healthy lifestyle tips and also simple and fun ways to get fit, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. Now today, I'm going to show you guys how you can make Herbalife breakfast. For those of you who don't know what Herbalife breakfast is, it's actually very simple. It's only 3 items. It's aloe vera, tea, and shake. And a lot of you have heard me talking about the Herbalife breakfast a lot. And those of you who have heard me talking about it, you must be wondering, what again? Why do you always keep showing us Herbalife breakfast? That is because how many of you, comment below, have seen my 2015 Herbalife breakfast video? It has been viewed by over 20,000 people over the past 5 years. I am very grateful and I'm very happy that that video has actually helped many of you, basically understand how you can make the 3-step breakfast. But for today's video, I'm going to give you guys an updated version. The 2020, well, it's almost 2021, the 2020 version of how you can make the breakfast, Herbalife breakfast 1, 2, 3. Well, you know what? It's essentially the same. It doesn't change, okay? The Herbalife breakfast 1, 2, 3 hasn't changed over the past 5 years. But what I want to do is I want to give you guys a fresh, updated, 2020 version of it so that, you don't always have to go and watch the old version, which I shot inside my tiny kitchen in Hong Kong with, I think it was iPhone 5 or iPhone 6. Now I got a proper camera to shoot this. But I just want to give you guys a more pleasant visual view of that. Okay, so let's make our breakfast 1, 2, 3. For those of you who are not familiar with the Herbalife breakfast, we have 3 items. The first one is the herbal aloe concentrate, and then we have the herbal tea concentrate. Okay, and for some Herbalife breakfast sets, you may use Energize, natural guarana, or Brazilian tea as an alternative. And so step 2 is the tea, and then step 3 is our meal replacement shake, the Formula 1 meal replacement shake. So there we have it, aloe vera concentrate, herbal tea concentrate, and Formula 1 shake. Okay, let's make our step 1 herbal aloe concentrate. And this concentrate is available in different flavors, so you may want to check the catalog from your country and see which one you have. So here we're using the aloe vera original flavor. Now you have to remember that you're taking this cap, and we need 3 capfuls of the herbal aloe concentrate. So take your cap from the bottle and gently pour out the concentrate. Okay, you don't want to drink straight from the bottle. You want to mix it with water. So we're taking 3 caps. Okay, now, and 3rd cap. That's right, so 4 caps. So after 3 caps of concentrate, now you can mix it with water. Now you can choose to have warm or hot or cold water. I generally prefer room temperature or warm water in the morning, because when you wake up in the morning, the first thing you want to feed your body is something that's close to your body temperature rather than shocking your body with cold water. So there you have it. So you want to pour around 400 to 500 ml of water to mix with the 3 caps of aloe vera concentrate. Okay, next we're gonna make our step 2, the herbal tea. Okay, so you take your herbal tea concentrate, and what we do is you want to take your standard household teaspoon and scoop out half of teaspoon of your herbal tea concentrate tea mix, the tea powder. Okay, pour it into your glass, and you want to mix it with hot or cold water. So again, same as before, you want to go for 400 to 500 ml of liquid of water. I generally prefer, again, warm for the tea. Okay, and there you have it. Now I want to introduce you guys to one extra step that you can do for your tea is you can take your aloe vera concentrate, okay, and gently pour just 1 capful of concentrate, the aloe vera concentrate, into your tea. This is a common practice we do in Asia when we adding extra aloe vera into our tea. to actually enhance the tea because it adds that extra hydrating and the cleansing quality to your tea. So that gives your tea that nice boost. So that's our step 2. Let's make our step 3, our nutrition shake. So here we have cookies and cream, meal replacement, and then we have prepared a unsweetened soy milk. So for today's demo, I'm going to be using unsweetened soy milk. I believe you can find it in your supermarket. Now just simply pour about 300 or 350 ml of soy milk into your blender, or if you have a shaker, you can just pour straight into your shaker as well. And for the Formula 1 meal replacement, we want to scoop out 2 heaping scoops. Okay, so remember it's heaping scoop, not flat scoop. If you do flat scoop like this, you might find yourself getting hungry quite early. Okay, so you don't want to do flat scoop. You want to just give a really good dig and take out 1 heaping scoop like this, like a mountain. You want to see a mountain full of powder on your scoop. Okay, and then second scoop here. So you want to take 2 full scoops, heaping scoops, and mix it with your soy milk. And that's it. We can go ahead and blend. Okay, now we got our shake, the cookies and cream and soy milk shake. Look at that. Ooh la la. This is beautiful. Okay, and this is our step 3, the nutrition shake. So there we have it, the breakfast 3 steps. We got our aloe, that's really good for cleansing and also hydrate your body. And then step 2, our tea, energize your body, boost metabolism. And then step 3, the nutrition shake, which nourishes your body with 20 plus types of vitamins and minerals and macronutrients and micronutrients, everything that your body needs in the meal. So that is why this completes the breakfast 3 steps. And your body needs the hydration, needs the nourishment from the shake, and also needs the energy. So that's all you need in the morning, which is a lot better than eating, like carbohydrate crap, right? Like drinking coffee and eating croissants. So there we go, we have it. I'm gonna just give you guys this quick chart so that you can see why in Herbalife we have the breakfast 3 steps. We have the aloe vera, which is really good for cleansing your body. Okay, helps your body absorb nutrients. And step 2, we have the tea, which is really good for energizing your body and boosting metabolism. And also, don't forget that tea is antioxidant. Okay, so that you will not age. Okay, or you age slowly. And then step 3 is Nourish, which we actually get our nutrients from the Formula 1 meal replacement shake. Okay, so this is our breakfast 1, 2, 3. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode, and now you're very clear the step-by-step how exactly you make your breakfast 1, 2, 3. Okay, and this is our updated 2020 version, so that you guys can refer to this video if you are next time when you're lost, you're not sure what to do and how much dose that we need to take for each, and this is your reference video. All right, so if you enjoy learning with me here, if you enjoy what you're seeing here and what you're learning here, you're gonna love my online Authentic Energy Fit Club. For less than $10 a month, you will get to work out with me live every week. You'll get to have live coaching from me every week, especially those of you who like to learn more about Herbalife nutrition. You want to get a bit more additional coaching from me. This is a good chance for you to hang out with me outside of YouTube. And also inside the online Fit Club, every week I give you weekly healthy tips and also healthy recipes and a lot of different nutrition and weight loss tips as well. So I'll see you guys inside the Fit Club. Don't forget to join, click on the link and join the Fit Club. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, everybody. If you're new here, don't forget to smack the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. I'm here 3 times a week to give you the best tips to help you become healthier, happier, and more confident. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.